How to crash a motorcycle safely. When you hear the phrase motorcycle wreck, safety may be the last thing on your mind. Undoubtedly, motorcycle accidents often result in catastrophic or fatal injuries, and it is hard not to focus on the consequences. Sometimes it's safer to try to control a collision than it is to try to avoid one that is unavoidable. In an accident, knowing what to do in the brief window of time could save your life. Learn when to control a crash instead of avoiding one. Most motorcycle riders automatically swerve to avoid danger. But, in other cases, understanding how to crash properly could prevent a more serious accident than yanking the handlebars or slamming on the brake. Apply both brakes intentionally to avoid locking them up. The way your motorcycle crashes can be significantly affected by how you brake. Using your brakes consciously will prevent you from reacting hastily and putting too much pressure on the pedal. Collide with the least dangerous object in front of you. Nobody wants to crash, but if you know it's going to happen, look ahead and choose what you're going to hit. Choosing the least dangerous option may not avoid injury entirely. However, it increases the likelihood of surviving the motorcycle accident. Stay on your motorcycle. By remaining on the motorcycle for as long as you can crash a motorcycle safely. Many riders erroneously believe that bailing out will be safer. Yet, bailing could result in major impact wounds like fractured bones and traumatic brain traumas. If your motorcycle does begin to slip, let your grip and, if you can, tuck and roll slowly. Protect your body from crash injuries. In order to keep your body safe in a bike accident, prevention is essential. Wearing appropriate safety gear before you get on your motorcycle is an important step to minimize accident injuries. Wearing an appropriate fitted helmet, boots, long pants, motorcycle jacket, eyewear, other safety gear appropriate for road and weather conditions. Do your best to keep your body loose during a collision to protect it. It will be challenging to remain calm during a crash, but doing so might save broken bones and torn muscles. Tucking and rolling is appropriate if a collision is unavoidable and you are still on your motorcycle. Go into a controlled roll if you come off your motorcycle near the ground. Do not rush to stand unless you are in a dangerous place. Wait a few seconds after you come to a stop before getting up. Immediately report the accident by dialing 911. Contact a Denver motorcycle accident lawyer after visiting a doctor to rule out any injuries.